Yo, what is up guys, Cyan here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys on how to get these 5 modded crew colors in GTA 5 Online with the latest K-Preco Heist DLC. Now before we do start, can you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below? I'm trying to hit 50k, I'm getting super close to hitting it. So if you guys could go ahead and do me that favor, I would greatly appreciate it. And it's always free to subscribe and you guys can always change your mind. And before today's video does start, a word from our sponsor. If you're looking for GTA 5 modded accounts or even account boosting for GTA 5 Online, make sure you guys go ahead and check out Messy Modding down below for cheap and reliable GTA cash services. They sell modded accounts, cash services, ranking boosts, and even modded cars and modded outfits. So if you are looking for any types of these services right here, make sure you guys go ahead and check out Messy Modding down below. And let's get into the video. Now the first step you want to do is head over to Rockstar Social Club website. It's going to be called socialclub.rockstargames.com, so make sure you guys go and type the right one in. Now once you're here, go ahead and log into your account, come over to my crews, so it's going to be right here, so come over to crews and then my crews is right there. And now you should be able to see both of your crews, well, all of your crews that you are currently in. Now all you want to do is go ahead and pick whichever one is your current and main crew. So for me it's going to be called this one right here. It's going to be this first one called Cyan. This is my first crew and this is my second, so I'm going to go into this one, right? Now if you are the leader of the crew, come over to these 3 dots right here, come over to edit crew. Once you're here, come over to these where it says crew color, press on this, and this is where you're going to be able to change your crew color and everything. And also this is where you go ahead and place in the hex code, the hex code I'll be showing in today's video. Now to get the modded pure white, all you want to do is come over here to these come over here, right click on it, come over to inspect element. Once you're on it, come over here to right here, this is where it is right here, and all you want to do is go ahead and delete everything that's beyond the hashtag. All right, let me go put the quote back in, I don't want to delete that. Now all you want to do is go ahead and just type in the hex code that I'll be showing in today's video. So this is it right here, this is the hex code for the modded pure white. And all you want to do is go ahead and just press enter, and now come down here and press save this crew. Now make sure you do not exit out the inspect element right now, do not exit out of it, keep that up, come over to save this crew. You should get this saved, saving that. And all you want to do now is refresh your page, and now you should have like this glitched out transparent box right there, okay? And now just go ahead and open up GTA, and now you should have the pure white in your game. So yeah. Now the first modded crew color I'll be showcasing for you guys is going to be the neon turquoise. And also if you want to know how to get this modded purple, I've already made a video on it. If you want to go ahead and check it out, it's going to be at the top of the description. So this is the neon turquoise I mentioned, and if you want to know how to get it, it's super simple. All you want to do is go ahead and copy the hex code you see on the screen into your crew. Now if you don't know how to do that and you're just skipping through the video and going straight to the colors, just go ahead to this timestamp right here on the screen and I'll show you how to get the hex code into your crew. So it's pretty much simple. All you want to do is go ahead and copy the hex code and put it into your crew, and that's it. Just restart GTA and now you should have the crew color in GTA. And now just go ahead and take it outside and show you guys how it looks like in nighttime, since right now it's nighttime. But in daylight, all of these modded crew colors here do shine in the sunlight, so the modded colors are going to look best in sunlight. So yeah, so this is how the neon turquoise looks outside, and now I'll be showing you guys the second modded crew color. Now the second modded crew color I'll be showcasing for you guys in today's video is going to be the neon yellow. So this is how it looks like right here. In my opinion, this one is probably my second favorite out of these top 5 lists. And if you want to go ahead and get it, it's super simple. As I said for the neon turquoise, if you did not hear or just skip through it, if you want to go ahead and get it, just go ahead and copy the hex code you see up on the screen, and that's pretty much it. And also, once you guys change the hex code into your crew, make sure you guys reset your GTA before you go to Los Santos and see if it's there. Make sure you guys go ahead, once you put the hex code, go ahead and restart your GTA, and then you should be able to get it in Los Santos or Benny's. So let me go and take it outside and just show you guys on how it looks like in the environment. So right now it's nighttime and it's snowy. So this is how the modded crew color here looks during nighttime. It's not going to look the shiniest or the brightest, but if you take it during sunlight, it's going to look the best. So yeah, I'll be now showing you guys the third modded crew color. Now the third modded crew color I'll be showcasing for you guys in today's video is going to be a neon hot pink, and this is how it looks like right here. Now out of these top 5 in today's video, I would probably rank this one probably number 1 in this whole entire list. So yeah, this thing looks really nice, and you guys can also go ahead and add a chrome effect to it by putting the chrome first, and then go ahead and put the crew second, and then you'll be able to get the chrome effects on this modded crew color. And also you guys can go ahead and add a pearlescent to it as well. And yeah, so I'll go ahead and take it outside now for you guys and just show you guys on how it looks like in the environment. So yeah. So this is how it looks like right here during nighttime. It looks pretty clean, and honestly, in my opinion, this one is probably one of the best ones so far, just because it's like so bright. And yeah, so now I'll be showing you guys now the fourth modder crew color in today's video. Now the fourth modder crew color in today's video is going to be the pure white, and this is how it looks like right here. Now the pure white and the ice white are completely different colors. If I go and compare them later on, you'll see a big difference, right? Now if you want to know how to get this one, you cannot just go ahead and type it into Rockstar Games. You're gonna have to open up Inspect Element. Now if you did skip the tutorial at the beginning of this video, I recommend for you guys to go ahead and go back to it and just watch on how to get the pure white. I also show you how to get the pure white in that tutorial, so just go skip to the beginning. If you don't know where, here's a timestamp right here on the screen. Go ahead and skip to it and just go ahead and follow the steps I show you, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And as you guys see, this is the ice white and the pure white. It's a complete big difference. The pure white looks way more like white, and the ice white kind of looks like a grayish white in my opinion, but I don't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it outside now for you guys and just show you guys on how it looks like out in the environment. And also, since it's December right now when it's snowing in GTA, I would rank this one here probably first place out of this whole entire list. But if it was in December and it wasn't snowing, I'd probably rank this one probably third or fourth place in my opinion. But since it's snowing, I'll put this one here in first place out of this whole list. So yeah, now I'll be showing you guys the fifth and final modder crew color in GTA 5 Online. Now the last modder crew color I'll be showcasing for you guys in today's video is going to be a neon dark blue. So I'll be showing you guys how it looks like. So this is it right here. So this is it. Now the chrome effects for this neon blue, it's just amazing. If you want to know how to get the chrome effect, all you want to do is go ahead and put the chrome first, and then once you put the chrome, go ahead and put the your crew color second, and then you'll be able to get the chrome effects on this. And you guys can also go ahead and just place on more pearlescent, and it's gonna make it look 2 times better. I recommend to go and put the ice white, but for you guys can go ahead and put on whatever pearlescent you like in your opinion. So now I'll go ahead and take it outside and just show you guys how it looks like out in the environment. So right now it's gonna be daylight and it's snowing. So this is how the modder crew color here looks out in the sunlight. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys just found it helpful or just found it enjoyable, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys can just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. You guys would do me a great favor since I'm trying to hit 50k, so you guys could do me a big favor if you can just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It's free and you guys can always change your mind. And while you're at it, can you guys go ahead and just hit that like button down below. And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video, and Cyan signing out. Peace.